Meta's going full AI for ads by 2026. Create killer campaigns with just a photo and budget. Stick with GadInsider for game-changing details. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Meta's set to revolutionize advertising by AI automation by the end of 2025. With 3.4 billion users, their new tools will make ads smarter and faster. Let's dive into what's coming. Meta's building an AI-driven ad tool to fully automate campaigns by 2026. Just upload a product photo and set a budget, and the AI handles everything. Crafting images, videos, and copy, targeting audiences on Instagram and Facebook, and suggesting spend amounts. It's a leap from their current AI, which already tweaks images and boosts ad performance. This could make pro-level ads accessible to small businesses. Why is this huge? Meta's AI will show different ad versions to unique users based on location or interests, like customer sneaker ads for runners versus hikers. With 3.4 billion users, Meta's AI could redefine digital marketing, making it faster and hyper-personalized. Meta's rolling this out by late 2025. So advertisers, start prepping your campaigns. Test Meta's AI current tools on Ads Manager to get a feel for what's coming. Follow GadInsider for updates on the launch and tips to nail AI-driven ads. That's the buzz on Meta's AI ad automation, GadInsider fam. Are you stoked for smarter ads or curious about privacy? Drop it in the comments. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.